just slay. Yeah.
Hi guys, it's your girl All Things Essential. Welcome back to my channel, beautiful people. I'm back with a popular request. Everybody, all my friends, all of y'all been asking me, I just need the basics. I just need to get a face on. I just need a simple beat. I don't need all that eyeshadow and stuff. And believe it or not, as much as I do eyeshadow on my channel, when I go out in public or if I'm going on a date or I'm going out with my friends, I don't even do all of that eyeshadow stuff. I do this look that I'm about to show you guys today. It is a basic boom, boom, bam. Let's get out the house. I look cute. I can wear this at any occasion. So I'm going to do less talking today and more beating. So before you come into my channel, you already know, learn with me, grow with me, and do not judge me. I am ready to give you guys what you've been waiting for, and that is my simple everyday makeup look. Definitely make sure you moisturize before you start this makeup look. That's 101. I like to mention, because I want you guys to know I'm down for y'all, and I'm going to keep delivering these videos over and over and over again. It is approximately 3:39 in the morning. Wait, is that right? No, it is approximately 3:59 in the morning. If that's not dedication to you guys, I don't know what is. So I would subscribe, I would like, and I would comment and become a part of the essential game. Here we go. I hope this lighting is okay for you guys. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I always start off with my eyebrows. On a good day, I do foundation first, but I'm gonna start off with my eyebrows. And as usual, I use the LA Girl Shady Brow Pencil. What I'm gonna do is go ahead. I wanna keep myself in the frame this time, so I got my little mirror right here. I'm just gonna be looking down, but I hope I'm in the frame all through the whole video. This is the LA Girl Shady Brow Pencil in the color Blackest Brown. I got allergies, guys, so if you hear me sniffling, I do not have the corona. When we get to this area, guys, I'm going to lightly shade my brow in. I'm going to do the other brow off camera because I have matter of fact, I'm going to put it up here. I have a eyebrow tutorial already on my channel. So if you want to know how I do my eyebrows, just click the link up there and watch that video. It's only like 3 minutes. So it shouldn't take that long to watch. So I'm just going to show you guys what I'm doing. All right, and then I take the LA Girl Pro Concealer and I put that under my eye. All right, guys, I have bad allergies. My eyes were running and my allergies has been all over the place. So please excuse me. And as you guys know, also I'm gonna put that link up here. I moved, so I feel like this building is really quiet. It's like a building, like an inside building, like your apartment is inside the building. And I feel like the apartment is super quiet. So if you feel like I'm whispering, it's because I don't want my neighbors to be all in my business, okay? Unless they gonna subscribe to my channel. So I just lightly highlighted under my eye. I don't think I'm gonna do any over my eye because this is a natural look. You don't need to do that much. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this in. All right, guys, we're back and my eyebrows are done. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face. And y'all know I'm a lock to use some drugstore products. Mostly everything in my kit is drugstore. I ain't buying no name brand until I start making some coins. So don't judge me. We're gonna use some e.l.f. primer. What I'm gonna do is use some foundation, drugstore foundation, L'Oreal True Match in the color Cocoa. Is it Cocoa? Yeah, Cocoa C8. There's the camera. C8. I don't know if you guys heard the song by Chloe and Haley, Do It. That's what I'm dancing to here. Do it, do it, do it. And this is how we do it. We're gonna take the LA Girl Pro Concealer. Here, what I'm talking about is, I don't know if I want to do makeup on people or just me on YouTube to show you guys how to do it, or I don't know what I want to do with this makeup talent that I have. So that's what I'm talking about here. I hate that you guys can't hear everything that I'm talking about, but I tried to make this video not so long. Beauty blenders are great, but sometimes you need a brush to blend. I've been introduced to a brush for blending, and I am not turning back at this moment. And I guess my question is, are people still using beauty blenders, or are we using brushes to blend? Answer in the comments below. Hold on, wait. If you got this far, you might as well just subscribe. Obviously, you like what you're seeing. So just go ahead and hit the subscribe button, turn your my notifications on, and keep up with me. Like, if you got this far, I was obviously, you like what you see. So turn your notifications on. Brianna, call me. I got some name brand Fenty. This is the matchstick and it's an espresso. And Rihanna, if you see this, I'm still waiting on that call, sis. Give me a chance to be a brand ambassador. I'm gonna go in with L'Oreal True Match Powder, and it's in the color Cappuccino. I'm gonna use this as a setting powder. Here I am telling you guys to go to Dollar Tree to get their brushes. They do have makeup brushes there for $1. I love them, so go get you some. I'm using the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. Yes. Ooh, child. Call me Dr. Brown. That's my last name, so no secret here. I'm using the same palette from Black Radiance. And I'm lightly stroking because I don't want my contour too dark. I don't care how natural this look is. I'm going to put some highlight. I have to have highlight, period. I'm sorry, but look at this highlight. Like, are you serious? Look, just look. Okay, this is my favorite part of the video. Y'all know what time it is. We're gonna be using some setting spray. Bougie. Stop playing with me in the comments. And again, we're gonna be using Aesthetic lashes, one of my YouTuber friends. So yeah, I already used them, so I'm gonna use them again today. Here I am lining my lips with the brown pencil I bought from Sephora. Then I'm going to take my lipstick that I got from my local beauty supply store. I do not know the name of this. Please don't ask, because I do not. And then I'm going to, on top of that, I'm going to use Rihanna Glass Slipper lip gloss as well on top to give it that pop. Okay guys, this is my final look. I hope you guys like it. I hope it didn't take too long, and I hope I made it real simple for you guys. I told y'all it was a boom boom bam. Like, we literally ran through that. I told you guys I started at 3:59. It is now 4:47. So now you guys time to go out with your boo. You guys time to get dressed or finish up what you're doing and head out the door. Like, this was not a hard task or a hard beat. It just was simple as 1, 2, 3. So I hope you guys like it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Tell me what you think below. Bye.